Light needs fixed. It's good thing me not afraid of heights.
I can't believe this. Look at this ladder. This is a safety violation.
But Mr. Egghead, you don't understand.
I don't understand. It's you who don't understand. When you're finished with a ladder, put it away. Exactly like this.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh, no.
you know, if I didn't move that ladder, someone might have gotten hurt.
Here's a safety tip. Don't ever move a ladder when someone's on it. Oh, boy. Me glad Mr. Egghead finally gone. Now me can fix light. Oh,
Oh, no, look at this letter being here. Hello there, Mr. Letter. I had better move it before someone gets hurt. This is not very safe, you know.
no, not again. Here's another safety tip. Always wear a parachute when you're working on a ladder. Oh, boy. Oh,